Hey everybody, Siki here, and I'm coming to you with another video. I am going to give you guys swatches because I know you saw the title. It said Morphe 3502. I am going to show you like a comparison of the 350 and the 3502, and I think it's going to be a love thing. So I'm not going to do my whole face in this video, okay? Because this is strictly about the eyeshadow palette. But while we're talking real quick, I am going to put this little base on my eye because this is how I meet out the discoloration. And that is the Sephora Dulce de Leche girl. And I'm gonna set that with the powder. But the reason that I wanted to talk a little bit before this video is to tell y'all that like I do all my unboxings on Snapchat. Every single thing I get, it goes through Snapchat before it even comes over here, okay? And so with that being said, on Snapchat, I gave y'all some new names. Like, you know how my girl Coffee Break with Danny, she calls like her supporters pandas? I got a new name for y'all, and I talked about it on Oprah Snapchat too. The new name for y'all is winners. So when I address y'all, I will be addressing y'all as winners. So how you doing, winner? Hey! I just wanted to let y'all know that there's been a change of plans. You guys are now winners. I deem you winners. I'm a winner, you a winner, we a winner. I played in this just a little bit on Snapchat, but I have not actually rocked a look. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, it says blend the rules, and isn't this the cutest thing ever? Like, this is what the top of it had, and then you had to get through all this right up and through Chia, right? Like bam, bam. Like you had to move all this paper and then the reveal. The palette was in there, girl. And this is not going to be a full tutorial because that's really not what you're here for. I know, girl. But you guys, it has names on it, my friend. It has names on it. Do y'all see this? First of all, this whole row right here, I love you. But I can tell you right now, this shade right here, Brick, we're going to be BFFs. This is the 350 and this is the 3502, girl. I still wish that they would put the names on the palette, but I do realize that if they put the names on the palette, then we would get probably less eyeshadow. So, I mean, I guess I'll deal with it. Ooh, they got names like Heat, Ablaze, Sauce, Fire, Brave. I love Brave. In the Zone. Woo! We about to have fun with this. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting that with Heat. Oh man, is Morphe 350 bringing the heat? Cause I think they are. I wanted to start this video because I thought about an old song and I thought about wanting to play in this makeup, and I was gonna be like, I wanna play with you, baby. Y'all probably don't know that. So now we're gonna go into Brick. She's a brick. House. I don't know what I'm doing. I never know. But for some reason this fall, I really do like these burgundy and red type colors. Like, I'm all here for it. Brick is going to be my favorite. I can already tell. Okay, now I'm going to go into this smaller brush with this color Rich. I don't know what it's going to give me, but we're going to deepen it up a little bit right here. But I think that this 3502 is giving the 350 a run for its money. Like, if you don't have the 350, just like going past it, girl, and get the 3502. See what Toast does. Oh, yeah. Let me use a different brush. They definitely have a good brow bone in here, which is this one right here. This one is a little too dark for me, but you can use this one or this one. All right, so now I'm gonna take my MAC 239 and I'm gonna go into the shade Ruby because that is the color that I played in. And that's the color I was drawn to, this one right here. I gotta do it. It's like a shimmery color. I hope it goes with everything else I used. And I didn't even try it with Fix Plus, to be honest. But I think if I did, it would be even more bomb. Let's do that. You know what? Before I finish this, let's try to go into that black a little bit. Let me see if I can swatch that baby for you. Okay, so when you do something like this, you have to blend it out, girl. Once we get the makeup on and everything, everything starts to come together. And I had to open a brand new one because I can't find my other one. And I wanted to spray it because I want it to be more pigmented. Yes, thank you. Oh my gosh. I sprayed a lot, but I like the way that came out. So I'll roll with it. Now the rest is just making sure it's even, which I'm going to play with a little bit like off camera. Before I do all the rest of this blending off camera, because it's going to take a minute, y'all. Like I told y'all, y'all don't see half of the blending. I'm going to hit it with this brow bone. Oh, yeah, girl. This is called Universal. Ooh. Let me translate what I just said. I like it. So after I pull this all together with my foundation, lashes, liner, hair, all that good stuff, we're going to come back. I'm going to show you the final look. And then I'm going to give you swatches. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and I wanted to show you guys the final look. I'm rocking the Rihanna foundation. I have like this whole little concoction situation on my lips, so I will put that in the description box, as well as everything that's on my face. This necklace, boop, boop, be-doo, this necklace is actually from CK Jewels. Now, I will say one thing about the eyes. I did think that this color ruby would be a little more like foiled, but I am not mad at all. Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? So anyway, stay tuned for the swatches. But before we go, winners, I wanted y'all to know that I love you. I appreciate your support here on CK Beauty and on CK Uncut, where all things are uncut. If you have not joined the fam bam here and on CK Cut, what? And on CK Uncut, please join the fam bam because we would love to have you, okay? You guys have an awesome, blessed day, and I will see you sooner than you think. Bye.
CK Beauty, confidence is key. You know what I mean. A woman feels good when she's looking pretty. I don't need no Benz, Lexus, or a Range Rover. Just give your girl a bomb CK Beauty makeover. Confidence is key, ladies, you know what I mean. Or maybe her eyeshadow and mascara will help you see. Check out her foundation and the blush on her cheek. Yeah, we ain't playing games, it's the CK Beauty. Yeah, CK Beauty.